Welcome to Stanz-Technology Limited. For 25 years, we have been a leader in the Ukrainian market, manufacturing high-precision die-cutting tools and implementing cutting-edge technologies to deliver top-quality solutions for the packaging and printing industries in Ukraine and Europe. Why trust us? 25 years of experience, stability, reliability, and deep expertise in die-cutting tool manufacturing. 340,000 plus custom-made die-cutting tools, each tailored to meet individual client needs. Trusted by 1,685 packaging manufacturers. Our solutions power businesses across the industry. Partnering with Ukraine's largest production plants, market leaders rely on our quality and technology. 2,550 square meters of production facilities, state-of-the-art equipment, and high-level automation. Stanz-Technology LTD, experience, scale, and quality that drive your business forward. Product range. Sandwich-type plates. Provide high print runs and ease of use. Easily replaceable elements optimize costs for long-term use. Die boards for flat cutting. Designed for the production of high-quality packaging from cardboard, corrugated cardboard, micro-corrugated cardboard, and roll materials with exceptional precision. Stripping tool. Ensures automatic waste removal after die cutting, enhancing production line efficiency. Complex configuration die boards, designed for non-standard projects requiring high precision and unique solutions. Pertinax matrices, counter matrices, steel counterplate, die boards with integrated magnesium clichés, rubber profiles. Your success is in reliable hands. Innovation, reliability, quality. Stanz-Technology LTD. Technology that works for you.